This is the Colorized Past, June 6, 1944. The world held its breath as dawn broke over the coast of Normandy. It was the largest amphibious invasion in history and the beginning of the end of Nazi tyranny in Europe. We often remember D-Day through maps, dates, and strategies. But behind those facts are faces. Real people, captured in black and white, their fear, resolve, and courage frozen in time. Today we bring those moments to life, in color. In the early hours, over 156,000 Allied troops boarded landing craft. Among them, 19-year-old Jack from Ohio, clutching a letter from home. Canadian paratrooper Louis, whispering a prayer in French. And British sapper Thomas, his boots soaked, his hands trembling as the shoreline neared. The ramp dropped. Chaos erupted. Machine guns tore through the surf. Some never made it past the waterline. Others pushed forward, not as heroes but as brothers, unwilling to let each other fall. Corpsmen moved through fire to reach the wounded, no weapon in hand, just red crosses on their helmets. They dragged men to safety, whispered words of comfort, and faced death with every step. On the other side, German conscripts, many just boys. Some surrendered with tears in their eyes, shocked by the might of the Allied forces. They too were caught in history's storm, some believing lies, others just wanting to survive. Norman villagers emerged from their homes, dazed, cautious, hopeful. For years they had lived under occupation, their streets echoing with the sound of marching boots. Now they saw soldiers with strange accents, handing out chocolate to their children. They called it La Liberté. By nightfall, the beaches were held, but the cost was staggering. Nearly 10,000 Allied casualties on the first day alone. Simple wooden crosses were planted in the sand. Friends buried friends. Silence replaced gunfire. And yet, even in the shadow of loss, life flickered back. A child laughing at an American soldier's clumsy French. A British tanker offering rations to a hungry family. Humanity persisted. Over 5,000 ships, 11,000 aircraft, and tens of thousands of troops. It was more than a military operation. It was a message. Tyranny would not go unchallenged. Freedom was worth fighting for and dying for. Today, those beaches are peaceful, but beneath the sand lies sacrifice. Each cross marks not just a life lost, but a promise kept that the world could be free again. This is D-Day. This is courage in color.